Throughout history, mankind has devised countless methods to exact justice, often in the most brutal and terrifying of manners. Among these, being thrown off a roof stands out as both a powerful symbol of authority and a chilling method of execution. Imagine standing on the precipice of a sheer rooftop, the world sprawling below, knowing the terrifying fate that awaits. But how did such a grim practice come into existence, and where does it find its place in the annals of history? The practice of throwing individuals from great heights can be traced back to ancient civilizations. The Romans, known for their elaborate and public punishments, employed this method to deal with traitors and other criminals. It was a spectacle designed not just to punish, but to instill terror in the hearts of the populace. Victims often fell to their deaths while crowds gathered below, serving as both entertainment and a stark warning. In more religious contexts, this method of execution has been referenced in sacred texts. It is mentioned as a severe form of punishment for certain transgressions, showcasing its continued use through the ages. In some cultures, being thrown off a roof symbolized not just the end of life, but the rejection from society, highlighting the grave nature of the crimes committed. As we move through history, the grim shadow of rooftop executions persisted. Various regimes used this method to silence dissidents or those perceived as threats. It became a tool of power, a way for those in control to display their dominance so starkly and unavoidably. Despite its ghastly nature, rooftop execution has been less talked about compared to other methods like beheadings or hangings. Perhaps this is due to its raw, uncensored brutality, or its sporadic usage across different cultures and history periods. Nonetheless, it serves as a chilling reminder of humanity's capacity for cruelty. Today, understanding such practices is crucial. By examining the past, we reflect on our moral progress and remind ourselves of the value of human life and dignity. The stories of those who faced this terrifying end echo through time, urging us never to repeat such darkness. So the next time you look over the edge of a rooftop, remember those haunting tales from history. They serve as powerful reminders of where we've been and how far we've come.